we've been working with about 1,800 ERP customers over the last 25 years, and through those years, we've seen customers use multiple manifest systems or other shipping systems, or developed our own shipping systems to help with things like UPS and FedEx integration. But what most of these customers want is to be able to do this all from one screen, so they can do parcel and freight. They want to be able to train their users quickly without having to train them on two different ways to do things. They would cause, as some had mentioned in the poll, upgrade issues, because sometimes it'd be missing functionality, which would cause issues when you go to upgrade because you had to customize the ERP to do that. So we've seen many of these. So it was great to partner with RateLinx and have Sean and the Wirebelt team experience the improved shipping for both parcel and freight, all in one screen in one place with tight integration to Visual.